will be fighting out of the blue corner tomorrow. He's got a record of 5 wins, no defeat, 1 bout even, and 1 KO. And they will be fighting for the RP Youth Minimum Weight Championship. Official weight for Jokerson Trazo, 104.7 pounds. And his opponent, ladies and gentlemen, he is the WBO Asian Youth Minimum Weight Champion, but that title is not on the line for tomorrow's championship bout. From Barangay Talokol, Tagbilaran City, let's give it up for Joseph the Hunter Sumabo. His official weight, exactly 104 pounds for Joseph the Hunter Sumabo. We've got ourselves a championship bout for tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, for the main event of Kumong Ulanong 21. The RP Youth Minimum Weight Championship is on the line. They will now be facing off for the camera. Jokerson Trazo of Talisay City, undefeated in 5 bouts, against Joseph the Hunter Sumabo with 7 wins, 4 knockouts, only 1 defeat. They will be fighting out of the RP Youth Minimum Weight Championship. Now the question is, after tomorrow's main event, ladies and gentlemen, will that belt go to Talisay City or Tagbilaran City? There's only one way to find out, so join us for tomorrow's Kumong Ulanong 21. Presented by PMI Mahal Boxing Promotions. Once again, admission is free, so be there when it happens.